Hello, in today's quick video I will show you how to integrate Clickbank Conversation with WeCanTrack. So you log into Clickbank, you go to users and you will create a new user. You will check this box, is this an API user? Yes, we will make an API user only. So we go to description, we put something random like this and we save the user. So this is checked and this is our IP key. So we will copy and paste this. We will copy this link and we will go to WeCanTrack. When you make an account in WeCanTrack, you will go to data source and affiliate networks. You will then search for Clickbank like this. You will click on Clickbank and add a new account. You put some name on it, some text like this, something random, and the clerk API key. Here you paste it. You paste the key that you have copied. So we copy this. Now we go down below and we check every box here. Analytic API, product API, order ticket API, and order tickets API read write. Okay, we check all of that and we save it. When we save it, we have our confirmation up here. So we will go to our account and we will click on the nickname from our account on the blue link. It opens a new tab and we will go to account settings. When we press account settings, you have here all personal information. Mine will be blurred, and you will go down below to the developer API keys and you will click on the right corner edit. When you click edit, you can create a new developer key button right in the corner and you will click it. When you click on it, you put your description. This is an example, something random, and you will save it. When you save it, you will get your key here. You will copy it, you copy your key, and you put your developer API key here on WeCanTrack. Affiliate is optional. We create it, we save it, and here we go. New network account has been created, and that is how you can integrate Clickbank Conversation with WeCanTrack. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.